now it's 11 a.m. already. I am at the SEASCC, which is, what is it? Southeast Asia Sports Collecting something. Can't remember the full name. So the entry is 5 ringgit per day and it's 15 ringgit for 3 days. So they did give a goodie bag, basically just a booklet and everything. The entry for normal entry is at 11. So if you want to go in early, you need to buy the early pass, early bird pass, which is 50 ringgit per day. So you go, for the early birds, you get 1 hour of trying to hunt whatever you need from the events. As of now, they just open the doors for the normal entry, so let's go. I forgot to mention that there is also a Cosworld inside the SEASCC event. So basically you are paying 5 ringgit for 2 things. One is the Cosworld and also one is the card show as well. So yeah. And again, I forgot to mention also, basically I'm not buying stuff, I've only bought like 50 ringgit. We'll see what I can get. And also my friend asked me to look for Miraidon and also, I can't remember the other one. Miraidon and Dragapult, yeah. So we will check that for him. He already gave me the price range of what he can afford, so we will see. Okay, quick update. So basically the cards that my friend asked me to buy, all both, everything is sold out because basically people are buying those cards to play. And then as I mentioned earlier in the video, I only have 50, but I spent 130 already, which is, hold on, which is this one. This one is the tops for Liverpool fan set again. It's basically the fan set for 2024 and 2025 season. So yeah, it's only 28 cards inside. So we'll see how it goes. I will be doing an unboxing video separately for this one. A part of the Cosworld is a bit cramped. I'm not a fan of the layout, but yeah, I wanted to meet up with Jeremy from the Retro Comics, but he's not at his booth. So later maybe I just go and find him. Yeah, but for now I'm going for lunch and then wait for the MLBB Naruto at 4. Now it's already 12:35. I've spent 1.5 hours already in this hall. So later. Also, I want to say SEASCC. So SEASCC is Sport Card Convention, but I would say 80% is of the vendor is Pokemon. Some like 15% is on cards vendor, and 5% is miscellaneous. So yeah, that shows that currently Pokemon is the current hype in Malaysia, but with the card, the sports card, there is a fan base, but it's very limited. So maybe in the future there will be more, at least a bit more on the sports card. We will see. Okay, so this is a card from Futura. It's basically it's like their new card game. So it looks nice, but I'm not sure how to play. They do have some, they do the demo over there as well, but yeah, I don't think I want to learn if I'm not collecting. So yeah, but this is cool. So I went back to the card show, card event. Basically took some free gift. So with tops, I got this mini tin of the Formula 1. This is quite nice. And then also the Asia Card Show. So the card that I got, basically I got Barcelona. So I got Jamal and also Mascherano. Mascherano is number 5 out of 9, but with Jamal I traded with my friends, so I traded with Zanetti. This one is 17 out of 29, so yeah. What else? And then eBay I got a notepad. Nothing else? Nothing else beside the just now the Futura that I mentioned earlier. So yeah, now I am going to the MLBBxNaruto because I think Nico is already there. She was on the way just now, so yeah. So basically that's that for the MLBB Naruto, and yeah, I don't know why I followed them. It's a bit tiring, but it is what it is. Vlog ends here. So if you enjoy this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and until the next time, bye.
Nice, thank you.
Okay, welcome.